Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this electric blanket from Sanitas, the model SHD 73. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Premium materials made from soft, breathable fabric for maximum comfort, safety and convenience, making it an excellent addition to your home for a warm and relaxing experience. We have the remote control, the cable length it is 1.5 meters from the remote control to the AC power, and we have another 1 meter from the remote control to the blanket. 6 heat settings allows you to choose the perfect level of warmth to suit your comfort, with LED indicator. 3-hour stop, it says here, automatic shut off, turns off after 3 hours of use for added safety and energy efficiency. With overheat protection, automatically shut off in a case of overheating to ensure safe operation. Wow, I like the fabric. Some information: material 100% polyester, heated over blanket, 220 to 240 volt, with low energy consumption, 110 watts, provides warmth while consuming minimal electricity compared to other heating solutions. Machine washable at 30 degrees Celsius, detach the power cord to easily wash the blanket, keeping it clean and fresh. Connect, disconnect. I like it. Flexible. I can feel inside the blanket the heating elements. Wow, it feels so nice. Designed to cover a standard bed or to be used as a personal throw. The size is 130 cm by 180 cm. It is thick, I like it. Even heat distribution ensures consistent heating across the entire surface of the blanket, because we have the heating elements all over around the blanket. I can feel that. The remote control, red, second, third, 4, 5, 6. And after no more than 1 minute, I can feel the heat. Oh yes. Nice. Its customizable settings and energy efficiency ensure you stay cozy while saving on heating costs. And that's the Sanitas electric blanket. With its ultra soft material, customizable heat settings and built-in safety features, it's the perfect way to stay warm and comfortable during chilly nights. Whether you are unwinding after a long day or just need the extra touch of coziness, this blanket has you covered. It's a thoughtful and cozy gift idea. We are in the middle of the winter holiday season. Happy holidays! If this review was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more product reviews, home comfort tips and lifestyle guides. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay warm, stay relaxed, and I'll see you in the next video.